We'll practice describing and working with lines of special forms. Here's the problem. Describe the lines x equals 4, y equals -2, and x plus y equals 3. Find where x equals 4 meets x plus y equals 3, and test whether the point 1, 1 satisfies x plus y is less than or equal to 3. Here is a graph showing the three lines. The vertical blue line is x equals 4, the horizontal red line is y equals -2, and the slanted green line is x plus y equals 3. Their intersection is marked. First, let's describe each line. X equals 4 is a vertical line. Y equals -2 is a horizontal line. X plus y equals 3 is a slanted line with slope -1 and y-intercept 3. Now find where x equals 4 meets x plus y equals 3. Substitute x equals 4 into the equation x plus y equals 3. This gives 4 plus y equals 3. Solve for y. Subtracting 4 from both sides gives y equals -1. So the intersection point is 4, -1. Now test whether the point 1, 1 satisfies x plus y is less than or equal to 3. Substitute x equals 1 and y equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Since 2 is less than or equal to 3, the inequality holds. So 1, 1 is in the region. Remember that vertical lines have the form x equals constant, horizontal lines have the form y equals constant, and lines like x plus y equals constant have slope -1. To find intersections, substitute one equation into the other. To test an inequality, substitute the point and check.